Hello and welcome back to my RC channel, Rolling Lines. Now somebody sent me a PM asking, they've been watching the Willow Newbridge videos and they asked how do they get the audio to work in different areas. They've tried and couldn't do it. Well, I had the same problem. I contacted the creators of the game, sent them a message, and they put me out writing how to do it, so I'll show you that in a couple of minutes. I just thought I'd do a quick flyover of Willow Newbridge because I'm spending quite a bit of time on the new layout, Millstone Junction, and to show if there's any updates that any new builds I haven't updated you on. I can hear the train but I can't see it. Can't be far away, can it? Nope, not over there. Nope, nope. Oh, it's over there, I missed it. Never mind, I'll show you this, in case I haven't shown you before. Willow Newbridge mine, where they mine the coal for the power station over near Dilmouth Sands. Fishing, float poles fishing, or rod fishing, whatever, float fishing. The bloke with 2 cart rods out there. And this is the fishing cabin. A couple of bottles of water, kettle on the go, fridge, telly. It's a mine shaft. They don't do deep mining in Britain anymore. In fact, there's not many coal-fired power stations left either. There's a new update. The park, boating lake and golf course. It'd be nice if I could actually hit a ball towards the holes. That would be a good mod. I can't do it though, I don't know where to start. Cafe, outside sitting area. Cafe information. Cabin, whatever you want to call it. Cafe. Please put your litter in the bin. Over the footbridge. Alright mate. What else is new? From the primary school, Willow Primary School, well, Newbridge Primary School. School crossing. School holidays on the game. So they're not at school. The cars are there because it's teacher training. Oh yeah, the new bus stop. Advertising Willow Fries. The local fast food place. I've started stoning round the station area. What else is new? Oh yeah, I've built a cinema. It's a one-screen cinema. It's only a small town. Well, it's quite a big town, but it's only got a one-screen cinema. I will turn it to midnight, so you can see it all lit up. Oh, the lights are not on. What's going on? I'll tell you before I zoom in too much. Let's reset the lights to night only. Custom track, lighting. Set all lights to night only. Should be on now. There you go. Willow Newbridge Cinema. And what's on? Just hope I'm not breaking any copyright with this. Showing it, well, I'm not on the game, but I'm actually showing it on YouTube. If I am, anyone sees this, it's actually called Suicide Squad at my cinema. You can actually get inside. I might put some seating in there and put a screen in one day. When I've got Millstone Junction nearly finished, I might start doing some more detailed things on here. Over the valley. Through the tunnel where the men in black always are. Nobody knows what they're up to in here. That's nothing else new, I don't think. Fort, Willow Village, the mansion, its swimming pool, private cart lake, holiday cart lake with holiday chalets on it. The farm's still the same. The power station's still the same. The repair yard's the same. I don't know whether I've shown you this yet or not. That's Hiker's Halt, a wooden halt. Right, let's get to showing you how to do the audio. You go on this other board. There's your main board, and then you want this board where you change the size of your table and everything, your bases. Make sure that's on none. That's what you've got to do. That's what I didn't do. I got in touch with the manufacturers and asked them what to do, and they put me right. I sent them a PM. Then you click all regions, add new region. You can do that, but I found it better to click add new source. A speaker appears. Take it over to where you want it, where we have it. I've got quite a few dotted around, so I don't want it too close to another speaker. Can you hear them all? Once you apply them, you'll only hear them when you're actually in the area of the distance you set them at and the volume you set them at. Then we'll put this one here. Now you click Q and this little board appears. Zoom in a bit. You've got river, none. Well, there's no point in putting it there if you're going to click none. Is there nature forest 1 and 2? We'll go for number 2, I think. You can set the volume, the range, get it to where you want it to apply. Go back to the board, apply and hide icons, and X out of it. And when you go over to it, once you get in within the distance area you've set it at, you can hear it. Adds a bit of ambience to your railway. Let's save that game now. I'm going to leave that speaker there for now. Let's get working. I'm going back to working on Earlstown Junction. Right, thanks for watching, and see you on the next Earlstown Junction one.